Children's Playhouse fruit and vegetable cookware toys, selected imported beech wood material, clear wood grain, tough material, fine workmanship, 360 degrees of meticulous polishing. Round and burr-free, fun simulation image design, original wood craftsmanship quality, so that children experience the fun of Playhouse, hands-cutting music, learning cognitive fruit and vegetables. Learning while playing, hands and brains, exercise hand-eye coordination, imitate mom and dad frying, experience the fun of cooking, in the playful cultivate, and experience the joy of life. To meet the baby's little curiosity, to accompany the child's childhood happy growth.